Okay, fine. Listen carefully. I want to just discuss a bit about. I'm taking that screen. I want to discuss a bit about the human, psychology on the different charts. Okay, listen. When the market started for the stock area, for the stock, company stocks, so it whether it moves up or down, when it just coming down, and it maybe moves up. So here in these areas, if I draw the lines here in the middle, in these areas, force will be noted according to our app. Okay, 40, 30, something like that, and here 20. Okay, so here, and these forces 90% conformingly this market will follow, because these are the stocks, equity cash. So these are the stocks that won't we don't find out aggressive traders much. Aggressive traders we don't find out much. So why? Aggressive traders only be found in the area where, you know where money flow is high, where the money flow is high, like losses losses or profit. Losses or profit happens very quickly, within the seconds time, and the people confused to take the position, and people confused to exit the position. So so in this area, in these stocks, you won't find them, you won't find it that much quickly. So that is the reason in this area, in stocks, aggressive traders are very less. Aggressive traders are very less. If it is intraday trading, of course we find the aggressive traders, but not that much. They wait for the time when to exit, and then they exit, because that chance may not come in a day. When they buy in the morning and they sell in the evening. So this has to be done in the day itself. So that's why they do the trading intraday, that day itself. So these intraday people have a little bit aggressive trading. And one more thing, if intraday stock, segment, equity segment, if a person invests 100 rupees, then to earn 10%, it takes almost 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. I'm telling on an average, okay? It doesn't mean that only 3 hours it should take, or 4 hours it should take. No, 10 minutes also can be, because based on the volatility. So here my point is, to make 10%, it takes hours of time, and we need to wait. So this all happens in the stock market, where intraday, when equity cash segment, when we do trading, we need to wait for a longer time to make a 10% of a profit. So that's a reason here aggressive won't be there much. And when it comes to the long trading, long time trading, again this also, from one place to another, suppose if a person invests again for long trading 1 lakh rupees, around 1 lakh rupees, then if it is 1 lakh rupees, to make 10 to again 20% for this long time tradings, they need to wait again around 1 month. 1 month, because fluctuations will come, move there, and they won't be much greedy, and they won't be aggressive. They just invest the money, and we can say that they you know calmly, coolly, they just wait for months of time, and they won't be aggressive. So why? Because profit or losing losses will be less in this area. That's the reason human emotion cannot be triggered. So long time trading or short time trading, intraday trading, these both, in this both the intraday trading in the stocks, I'm telling you, not in the option. Okay, these may not have that much aggressive traders. So when I compare to another thing, option trading, which I'm going to talk about, so in these two areas, aggressive tradings won't be there much. So when our app calculated, 10 force and 40 force, and this to be changed, it takes a time. This to be changed, it takes time. So when the stock come to the 40 force, absolutely it turns back because force is high, and this force is created by the cool people, not aggressive people. Cool people in the sense maybe professionals or the people that common traders, or aggressive traders won't be that much in this, like I already told. So to break this, break this force, a lot of the things to be changed. Like news has to come in the market, and some things happen in the financial sector. So only that area, or if a day some billion or 2 billion people trades, take in national way, if it is 1 crore people trades, and if any other particular day 2 crore people trades, here the volume I'm talking about. So in this, since it is increased, and there is a chance to break this force, but this oftenly doesn't happen. So my point in this particular area is, aggressive traders are very less in this, and profit, either profit or losses are very less, and they need to wait. So so this is all about long term and short term. Now I want to discuss about option trading. Option trading. So option trading, actually the title itself tells that this is optional. When we trade, to stop the volatility, or to stop the loss of one company, government people create this option trading. And then here, they will create aggressiveness of the people, and then the aggressive people will try to pull this up. Okay, when to from the falling down, they want to pull the market, stock value up. So this is the facility, this is the chance that the government people will give to that particular company fellows. Okay, and in this you will see aggressive traders very high. Aggressive traders are very high. Now if I consider the forces, like I have already drawn 10 force on the top, 10 force on the top. When it comes to down, 40 force down, and maybe a little down here, 20 force. From here to here, market will surely move, I need to take 100%. 100% it will surely move up to here. And here our question starts, will it be broken or not? Will it be broken or not? In RSA app, we have kept the logic, like this should not be broken. This should not be broken. And the price, whatever price here, 25 300, something like that. Let me take that value, 300. And on the top, 25 400. So market started its journey, and it will come up to the force where that particular force is mentioned. Here 2 force, here 3 force. These force are nothing when it compared to the 10 force. So these will surely be broken, and it completely comes down to this area. And it may be around 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever. Okay, but only minutes I'm talking. Okay, So within the little time it will surely come down to here. And now, since in this option trading aggressive traders are very high, this can be broken. This can be broken. But in our app, we kept the logic. This should not be broken. And from here to 25,300. 25,300. Try to understand this number. 25,300. From here, again, we kept the app to do the calculation of the forces. And again, it will start counting, calculating. Since the high force is there, it will surely move up, but not high. When it comes to the stock, then surely it should turn from here to above. It has supposed to come, it has to come. But in option trading, it won't come like that. It will come hardly up to the some area here around 2 fours or 3 fours. From there again it will turn back. Why? Why it happens? Because aggressive traders will change this force. They will change this force. Think in this way. I have think in this way. Rope pullers. There is a game, right? Rope pullers. There is a game. This is the middle line. Buyers are pulling up. Sellers are pulling down. Better. Let me. Okay, take it that way only. See, buyers and the sellers came pulled it down up to 40 force. Buyers pulled up to 10 force. So, see, here, then the sellers, force is high, na? It moved down here, and from here again, it has to go up. Because, I should say that the buyers, let me put it in this way, hold on. The best explanation will be like this. Let me keep the buyers down, because buyers always will be down, right? Their target is to push the market up, and the seller's target is to push the market down, right? So since I kept this as a rope, then absolutely they cannot push. See the logic I have taken now, rope logic. Rope logic is not a pushing logic. It is pulling logic. You understand what I'm telling? It is pulling logic. So here you can see let me, even the rope is also not suitable here. Why I have taken the rope, when there is a skid, when there is a skid, though the full force of the the top people is less, there is no strongest thing to get that support, so that's a reason they keep on skidding, they keep on skidding until they come to the one place where they get a strong for a strong what we call down, some pebble, something to get a support, you know so that is the place they are waiting for. Even if it is low force also, 3 or 2, any force, though here the force is 40, they just moved up to that area. And when they get that their legs, their feet strongly rooted down, then they started pulling it down, pulling it back. So are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Here my logic, my point is, when the market falls down, here buying force is 40 and selling force is 20, one more selling force is 10, it will surely come up to this area, and app will tell that it will cross, goes more than this, more than that. But truth is, it is not going to be happen like that. It will come up to this area and then starter turns back. So here market moves in the down direction. Why this is happening? You told that force is 40 and it will go up. Absolutely, according to this scientifically calculation, it should go more than this line, it should go up. But that is not happening, because since there are aggressive traders, they, though the force, this 40 force came up to here, Aggressive traders who pushed the market down will take the chance here, and from there again they push the market more down. They put the market more down, and when it comes to this area, there would be a big red candle forms. Here there would be a big red candle forms. Why? To break this big force. To break this big force, big candle forms. Okay, up to here small candles may be formed, but to break this one, big candle forms. Understand? Now here our question is where to take position. Where to take position? See, let me tell you, whether it is a professional trader or aggressive trader or a common trader. Common trader is the one who always gains money and lose money. Okay, so professional trader is the always one that gets money. Aggressive trader is the one who always lose money. So listen, here if aggressive traders are professional traders, out of 10%, 100%, out of 100%, aggressive professional traders will be 10%. 10%. Like we can see that in our society, rich people or less people, less percent, but and be average and below average or poor people will be around 90%. 90% you can calculate that. Average people will be 80% and something like that. Okay, poor people will be 70% and average people will be 20%, something like that calculation we do. But here professional traders only 10%, you know 10%. So what they do when do they take a position, they it is confirmed that this will come down to 10 force is there, it will come down to here though 3 force and 2 force are there, it will surely come down to this area. So from here, they will take position. They wait. When it comes to this level, they close the position because it is not clear that in the very beginning it will be the line will be here. That resistance will be broken. No, so they close the position here. They close the position, and again they take the position here. They take the position here, and then they wait, they just wait, they do not know where it turns back. Okay, they just keep on waiting, and they put the stop loss here, and whenever that u-turn takes place, they closed it there, they closed it there. And here question comes, will market move up or down? Nobody knows. Will market move up or down? Nobody knows. So then they won't take position either up or down. Why? Because in this area again, if sellers takes place, market moves down. If sellers are not taken place, market will keep on moving up. It will keep on moving up to the level where another force is there. After it moves up, then they take the position. Here they take the position. Let me take the little bold color, and the color change, let me change. They take the position here. They take the position here. They take the position here, and they wait. If it is, if it goes down again, they don't take position because high force is there down. In case if it comes to here and then goes up, then money will be lost. In case the force is high here and they keep close up to here until they see the big candle forms, until they see big candle forms. So big candle says through I mean three rules, okay, that I will discuss now, just wait. So when they see that big candle formed, then that is clear that they are ready to break the 40 force also, and they wait up to here, they wait up to here, and again it will surely bounce back. It market tries to moves back to this level, to this level, And then after seeing that movement has already come up to there, here this place they will take the position. I think I'm not confusing in writing part. They will take the position in here when second when when this time it already line broken, and then it again takes a bounce back and come wait for this term, and from there again they take position selling. Understand what I am trying to do here. Bro, here it is force, so it will go up. Very good, it will surely come up to here, and thinking that the high force is there, so it will move more up, but truth is not. Okay, so they close here and they wait till the some force is here, or here some force be broken. Once they broken, no, then they will understand if it will keep on coming up to this level. So from here to here prediction is confirmed. Let me take another color. Let me write another color, take another color. So if this broken here, if this is broken, if and it comes to another place, from here to another resistance level, market keeps on moving. No doubt, 100% it will keep on moving. So then when it comes to this area, then they keep the stop loss. They keep the stop loss because they wait if big force is being created or not in this area. So if created, then it takes back turn. If not created, it will be broken, and then it moves to a bit more up. And once it comes to this place, again they wait for another stop where that the force is given. Are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, hold on. I have kept you all people in mute. 1 second. Let me open that screen and allow you to speak. I think you can off your mute, right? Hold on. Where is that option? Where do I see that option? I don't see where that option is mentioned. If anybody can speak, suggest me. I gave chance for all the people, I think, but that place is not coming where the list is seen. Eliezer, Chana, Eliezer, respond, Chana. Actually, I don't know whether all people can speak or not. Have I given them chance or not? I'm confused. Rejoin. Hello, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm rejoin. I stopped the sharing the screen. Now I think all people can speak. Yes, speak if there is anyone to want to speak. Have you all understood what the concept I said? Can you people turn off mute? Can you switch off your mute and then on the uh, speaker and speak na? Ana, Sabrahana. So here, do not we know actually either that the calculation blame the market or we blame the market. We cannot do it. My point is here. Those forces will be broken. There is no doubt those forces will be broken. Let me share the screen. One more thing. I am rushing actually because I have another class. I asked them to give me half an hour time. By 9:30, I'm supposed to complete. Check it out. Check it out one more time. Say here. Say you have understood this one, right? Let me take a screenshot otherwise. Right. See, in option trading, you should remember in option trading, oh, this is not close. In option trading, you should remember, always you should remember. You know what? Check out where the forces are given. Next, when the one force is broken, it came to this particular area. And no doubt, until it get some feet grip, it moves on, and it comes to this area. If the force is less 3%, and on the top 10 points, and here 3 power, okay, I cannot call that force or points or percent, whatever, okay, that's a number of a force. And for it will we cannot 100% make sure that this will move down more. If we have taken position, no problem, we can wait because force is less, but make sure you need to keep the stop loss here. Once this is broken, you can be strong enough because this force is very less. It keeps on moving to the another force. And here, if the force is 2, if the force is 2, it can also be broken easily. And let's wait to another force. Here the force is 40. Now we cannot say that this will be broken, and it will surely, and here you can see that many shadows will form, many shadows will form. So like let me take a big candle. Many shadows will form here, many shadows will form. So many shadows will form. So whenever you see that many shadows are forming here down, many shadows means the situation is in consolidation, validating whether buyers are many or sellers are many, whose force is high, who, in case if they want to pull the market more down, then losers will keep on losing more amount. So this will validating, it takes the validation, buyers losing or sellers losing, they do that some calculation. So in this area, market cannot be quickly moved. So one thing very sure that it will not go down in the very beginning. So you can close the market here, and you should take the position, and up to where it will come again. I'm again telling you this one. It will come to, let me change the color. It will come to this level, and it will be broken. And again here some shadows will form along with the body candle, one. You will see that candle shadows. So when you see this one, there is again no consolidation taken place. Buyers are high or sellers are high. So you need to do not close it because the force is less. You need do not to close it, but you need to make sure that you have kept a, you have kept a stop loss. Stop loss is kept because in case buyers want to, the sellers have wanted to take position, they want to push the market down. You need to be ready. You need to be ready. So here down position is not confirmed, either up position also not confirmed, not confirmed. So when you want to take position, let it be crossed. When the market came up to here, it is sure that it will now go down. Now it keeps on moving up, it keeps on moving up, then you can take position here. So finally what I wanted to tell you, finally, whenever there is a line, so you can see, wait, let me take color. You can see these are the zones. You need to take position, you need to do calculation whether that moves up or not. Yellow lines are kept na, the middle of one is the line that indicates a force. But these are the places whether you need to take position, whether it goes up or down. Okay. And from here, you here high force is there now. You need to wait till this comes down to this level, because do not expect that this will be broken 100%. No, no. They sometimes market will come down to this level and again turns back. If in case it turns back, then you can take a position here. Then you can take position here. In case if touches this line and then start moving, you can take position here. Means that one time you have taken position there, and here also you can take position. It comes up to this level. Are you understanding what all I'm trying to tell you? Ah, China. China, your voice is very lower. Make some voice noise beside coming, you know. Ah, listen. After here, the force 40 is there. Then it will return. Surely it will return. Up to where, Anna, it will return? You may ask me the question. It will return up to this second here. This level it come up to. This direction is very confirm. That direction is very confirm. Yes. And taking position, and whether it will go up, then you need to take position here. If you want to say that it will now go move up again, you can't take position here. Why is 40 force is there down? Some people, aggressive traders, are pulling down up to here, and they can't, they could not sustain their energy, and from here again it will move up. It will move up. So understand that this is all human emotion. Human emotion can be changed from one time to another. When we see that losses are happening, we will take, quickly take decision. So we need not to wait for longer time to take the decision. So that is happening in the market. So here my point is, check out where the entry levels are. Entry level always will be uh, bit above of the force, or bit below of the force. Clear? Now tell me, what is that your question? Let me share. One second. Before, let me finish this explanation. I have drawn the lines today for today's trading. Where is angel broking? Here, practically, I want to show you that. Check out. Why this is not. One second. It is taking. I don't know why it is taking time to load. Of you. Small logic. There are confirmation process. Confirmation clear ways are there. Clear ways are there. Uh, Already screen sharing. Wait. I want to wind it up because I have only kept the time up to 30. But I want to show you that forces are written on the chart. There you will observe little information there. Little. So Nifty I have taken Nifty 50. Okay, these are the lines. I hope you see it, right? Can you all see it? Chana, can you see?